Alright, so welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing Megaland. And it was also a game from Red Raven Games, meaning it was designed by Ryan Lockett. So another one of his games, Megaland. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so here's the how to play. The rules are huge, so that should make it easier to read at least. And here's all the different building cards. Cool. Here's some nice punch outs. Hearts, arrows, money. Ooh, definitely like the frog. And there's even a cat person, too. And then more punch outs. One of the punch outs already got a couple of the punch outs already punched out. And some more playable characters. There's a pad in here. I'm guessing this is for keeping all of your punch outs and things like that, perhaps safe, maybe. At least the hearts and things. So that's what that's for, I think. Let's see, and then we got cards. Oh, and these are stands. So let's open this up. So these are stands. And let's see what an example would be of a stand. Let's grab my favorite. Just like this. So let's So that's kind of cool. So all of the playable characters will be sitting on these nice little stands. I like that. That's really cool. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. So stands. We have tons of cards. Here's the other coin that came off earlier. Some extra bags. And more cards. So let's start opening these up. So here's the building cards, some of them anyway. We got a bowling alley, fishing pond, an arena, a lodge, endless mine, a sandwich stand, a cafe, an arcade, a bazaar of oddities, a hotel, a temple of Zaz, Okay, cool. We got more. So we have an herb hut. Ooh, a reptile stable. This is what, I got to admit, this is what attracted me the most. A reptile stable. And that and the frog playable character too, obviously. So another reptile stable. Another reptile stable. Another reptile stable. Soap makers. Ostrich ranch. So that's cool, right? Toll booth. A gym. Hospital. Hall of Elders. A smithy. A laboratory. A fish vendor. A root market. And some more bowling alleys. Cool. And we still have more. Okay. So here's the cards that were in that package. Obviously a monster, right? A giant snake, another monster. Some sort of slime-looking monster. Plant monster. Giant rabbit. Must be a monster. And some bats. Another monster. So, you know, some monsters to fight in this game. And then a bunch of other cards here. Not all exactly the same. But obviously you can get injured in this game. So, hearts and all that. Those monsters can injure you. Definitely has some sort of like a video game-esque feel to it. Although, there's no reference of video games in this game, from what I understand. We still have some more cards. So we got a gear-looking thing and a carrot. Some stones, maybe. Carrot. So I guess like maybe resources of some kind. Maybe. Or maybe something that some of those buildings actually produce or something. But it looks like they're all the same in this package. They're all one of the three. The gear-looking thing, or the stone, or the carrot. There's still one more package, though. And that one's definitely different. Some sort of wooden cube. Oh, that's different. A gemstone of some kind? Or crystal? Another one of those crystals. Looks like it's just those two resources, or two different items anyway, for this stack. Oh, we got fish. So there's fish apparently. There was a fishing pond, so I guess that makes sense. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it, everybody. That's it for this unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.